At first glance, this appears to be an ordinary ski boat crossing a calm lake, but hidden in this scene is an interesting example of wave physics. As the boat moves through the water, it creates a wake containing waves of many different wavelengths. Some of the waves are long and widely spaced, while others are shorter and closer together. Although these waves are created at nearly the same time, they do not all travel at the same speed. For deep water gravity waves, longer wavelengths move faster than shorter wavelengths. As the wake travels across the lake, the faster long waves gradually pull ahead of the slower short waves. Watch carefully as the wake approaches the shoreline and see if you can spot this effect for yourself. The first waves are now reaching the shoreline. Notice that the earliest waves are the longest and most widely spaced. As time passes, waves with progressively shorter wavelengths begin to arrive. The boat created all of these waves, but the longer waves travel faster and reach the shore first. Physicists call this phenomenon dispersion. In a dispersive wave system, wave speed depends on wavelength. Over time, the wake naturally sorts itself, with the longest waves leading and the shortest waves following behind. What began as a complex disturbance behind the boat has separated into an organized pattern that reveals an important property of water wave motion. Thank you for watching.